Decided to make a video today. So, my whole room. I'm thinking of cleaning that shelf and starting to put new stuff there. But these things are pretty cool. Like Nightmare Before Christmas. Daria Wimp. Yeah, I was desperate for them things. And come down here. We have Toy Story Signature Collection Buzz Lightyear. And here is my Lightyear that I keep in a box. It says Deca Postable. I can't even say that. Okay. A couple of speakers. There's my computer. Oh, that's my McFarlane certificate. Some stuff from NECA. My guitar stuff. Headphones. That's my Nintendo Switch. This is what I got from Valley View, if you wanted to know. That's from the Muppets. Light switch. Don't know what that is. That's Steve from Minecraft movie. He came with that thing. And the Hulk. And that's pretty cool. I have stuff in here that I don't go through, which I might do in the future. I think he's from McFarlane. I don't know. This is my chair. This says Muppets Christmas Carol. Now, I got this last year for Christmas. Down here, I have weights that I'm going to start doing some. Here is my Nintendo Switches games, some music DVDs, basketball. Yeah, here we have a wrestling poster, wrestling ambulance, bedside caddy, my speaker so I can make music. Cool. Here we have a little plush tiger, giant plush tiger. Here are my wrestlers, which are pretty cool. I have more in there, which I'm going to show you. So that's what I have. Here I have Drop Down Buzz Lightyear, Chewbacca that my nan got me. So Nan, if you ever watch me in heaven, you got me this. Thank you. Slipper, Postman Pat stuff here. PC Sobeys police car, Pat's van, Ted's truck, and AJ's motorbike. Right, in here we have a wrestling ring. I have a wrestling ring there as well. I also have wrestler figures there as well. That's where I keep my clothes and all that, which are pretty cool. In here are just pants, more interesting stuff. That's pretty heavy. Okay. Here is my NECAs. So we have Art the Clown, Pee-wee, Silence of the Lambs, Thor, Mike Tyson, Batman, Annabelle, Joker, Friday the 13th, Green Man, Chucky, from Silence of the Lambs, Megan, Phantom of the Opera. I don't know what that one is. Oh, it's Freddy Krueger, Michael Myers, Biff Turner, some more Star Wars figures, Freddie Mercury. Oh yeah, he died sadly. I love Queen. Will you rock you? Love that song. Jaws, shark, giant plush tiger. Looks pretty up there. And then here we have more Muppets. I have a Mike Tyson poster, more wrestlers poster. In this section, we have Buzz Lightyear, the little version. We have John Cena and Dwayne Johnson there next together. Little version of Art the Clown. This is from Biff, Marty McFly. I have got a Marty McFly. This is a one from NECA figures, McFarlane. That came from Art the Clown. That's Socks. There. It's a light up pumpkin. You press this button here, yeah? Look at that. Lights up. That's pretty cool, isn't it? This is a little notepad thing that Doc got. This is the Lightyear stand. This is Bon Scott box that I've kept because it has his signature on it, which I think is really, really nice. True to Bon Scott. I can't believe he passed away, which is really, really sad. We believe in you, Bon Scott. You're amazing. Here, I have a giant plush giraffe. I have Judas Myers from Michael Myers. That was from NECA. That's my granddad's sandpit. I love you, Grandad. USB for this speaker thing. This boxing thing. I don't know why I've got that mic thing. I wonder. But still there for now. That bag's from NECA. This massive TV. It's a big TV. That's a lion that I made. Yeah, I got that. I remember getting this. I was so happy with this. I think it's really, really cool. This section. It's all my NECA figures. So we've got. What did the NECA say? Who do we have next? Funko Pops. We have Hulk, Chica, Woody, Michael Jackson, my favourite guy. Freddy, Five Nights at Freddy's. John Cena, oh yeah. That guitar's from NECA. These two are from Star Wars. This is my guitar acoustic. I want to be in a band one day and do music and writing letters, songs, or something. Yeah, that's something I want to do in the future. Really, really cool. Now, let's move on to NECA. This is from NECA. This is a Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack Skeleton. I also have Jack Skeleton figures here. A little thing from NECA, a remote. Del Boy from Only Fools and Horses. Right. Move on to NECA. We have Angus Young. Trick or Treat guy. Don't know who he's called. Five Nights at Freddy's. Michael Myers. No, not Michael Myers. It's I forgot his name now. Marty McFly. Hulk. Matt Hooper. Pinhead. My mum got me Pinhead because I look like a Pinhead sometimes when I was on. So I don't know. I used to comment that I look like a Pinhead. I don't know why. This guy's from Star Wars. Bon Scott. Kevin from Home Alone. Whoever likes Home Alone, let me know, because Home Alone's actually a pretty cool film. From Star Wars, Ghostface, Hulk, abortion. Yeah, I can go on that. Alf, two NECA figure toys, Lightyear. He has his helmet, he doesn't have it on yet. I don't really want to put it on him. Elton John, that came with a piano. Elf, It the Clown, another Matt Hooper hiding from him. But yeah, that's what he looks like. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, if you move on to here, this is my electric guitar that I got for my 20th birthday. If you must know, which was really, really cool. That I've shown you how I play it sometimes, which is really nice to see. It's a nice touch. In here, there's some stuff that people have got me during the years. Oh, forgot, this is from NECA as well. That's from Postman Pat. I'm trying to get myself a driving test soon, so got that for any reasons. Home Alone stuff. Car, remote control car that I might throw away, because I don't use it. A wrestling thingy. I like this thing, and I have that as well. In here, I have a Postman Pat remote control van. That's from my granddad. I never want to throw that away because I love your granddad. Yeah. And in here, it's just DVDs. Now, let's move on to Toy Story. Gabby, Ducky and Bunny, they're from Signature Collection. Toblerone, Little Sparks. I'm thinking get the Thinkway Sparks in the future. Toy Story Collection, Duke Kaboom. I like him pose like that. And then when you move on to this shelf, we have Troll, Combat Car. Yeah, that's a little hand. Bookworm, Beast Kingdom Woody, Trixie, Forky, Big Baby, 8-Ball, Slinky Dog, which is really, really nice. This show, Pizza Planet Aliens, Fire Truck, Barrel of Monkeys, Toy Story Collection Woody, here with the Cloud logo. He's very rare, very glad I have him now. This is Rex, not the Toy Story Collection, but he does that. Careful, Bo Peep. This is not Toy Story Collection Bo Peep. I can't get her, she's just too expensive. She also has the little sheep she came with. Pizza Planet Rocket. It's a rocket that Sid put on Buzz for no apparent reason, which was pretty cool. That was in Toy Story 1. Rocky, the robot, Lenny, Mr. Potato Head. I'm really glad I found it. It's now 100 quid on eBay. He also goes for about 1,000 grand. So I'm very glad I've got him. Don Rickles, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry you passed away. And I hope you have a great time in heaven, mate. Because Don Rickles, you are the most funniest guy on Toy Story. Ham was voiced by John Rathburger, whoever he's called. John Rathburger. I like calling him that. John Rathburger. He was voiced by Jim Barney, who passed away. Rest in peace. You are very, very funny, Jim Barney. Here we have Chunk, Twitch, Lotso, Chatter Telephone, Prickle Pants, Dolly, Chuckles, Peas in a Pod, Buttercup, yeah, I have RC, not the Toy Story collection, but he's my RC. That's what counts. I love him. I have the Nintendo Switch box that I've never thrown out. I got that from Chrissy, Paul, and Dan because they're brilliant. In that bag, it's got all my things in. Let's move on to here. Stinky Pete, Mrs. Potato Head, Jessie from Signature Collection, Toy Story Collection, White Logo. No, Signature. Toy Story Collection Bullseye, that's from White Logo. Got that from Toys R Us, I saved up for him. It was only 20 quid. Wow, that's so cool. 20 quid for a Bullseye. Toy Story Zurg. Oh my god, he lights up as well. When you press this. See, lights up. Utility about buzz. Press his stomach there. See? What we have here, we have the new Woody that I bought at Smith Toy Superstore. I worked for 60 quid doing chores around the house with my mother. I earned my money and I bought this for myself. And I absolutely love it. It looks just like a Medicom. It's not Medicom, but it does look really similar to it. Came with instructions about how to display it. This is Toy Story Collection Buzz Lightyear.
This is an intergalactic emergency.
He has a leader. Which I want to be really careful with him. Because he's a very delicate piece. But I remember getting that from eBay for about 40 quid. It was so cheap. Wings are tucked away, look nice. And then we have here a bucket of soldiers, certificate of authenticity, little trikes, stretch, the robot thingies, whatever they're called. And that is about it. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. See you around, take care.